Are you looking for the best tech pouches? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best tech pouches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Native Union Stow Lite W.F.A Tech Organizer. The Stow Lite W.F.A Organizer by Native Union is incredibly compact without skimping on storage space. During the weeks I trialed it as my go-to tech pouch, the accessory impressed me by accommodating my AirPods Pro, an external storage drive, a portable battery pack, and other essential gadgets. Native Union crafted the product using eco-friendly polyester from plastic bottles, recycled leather, and other sustainable materials. The product's leather accents were cleverly placed at points of frequent contact, making it feel more luxurious. A version of the Stow Lite W.F.A in black is also available. Number 2. Bellroy Tech Kit. The Bellroy Tech Kit has an elegant design and an impressively compact footprint without cutting corners in storage space. Despite its minimalist looks, the accessory has a generously sized interior with several stretch pockets to go with cable and item organizers. The product is crafted from recycled fabric with a water-resistant finish. You can order it in multiple colors, including special editions. Every tech kit has a sturdy zipper with a leather or fabric handle. Number 3. Smof Electronics Organizer. The Smof Tech Organizer is the one to get if storage capacity is your biggest priority. The reasonably priced accessory has not one, but 2 zipper compartments and plenty of internal pockets and straps for stashing devices and accessories for them. The setup includes a handy zippered pocket that can fit an iPad mini. Remarkably, the Tech Organizer comes bundled with 3 storage dividers, allowing you to customize the layout of its main compartment, which is excellent for carrying camera gear and other big-ticket gadgets. The product has a durable multi-layer fabric exterior available in black, navy, and light blue. Number 4. Woolnut Leather Tech Organizer. Designed in Sweden, the minimalist Woolnut Tech Organizer is crafted from luxurious full-grain leather with exceptional tactility. Its sturdy metal zipper is just as lovely to interact with. During weeks of testing, the accessory's workmanship brought me a sense of occasion every time I reached for it. The product has a sturdy hard-side exterior in black, blue, cognac, and green, and a recycled polyester interior with several pockets and elastic straps to hold your gadgets and accessories. However, while nowhere near as sleek and rugged, the softer leather pouch from Harbour London has a more flexible interior. Number 5. Native Union Stow Organizer. Native Union Stow Organizer has an eye-catching design, headlined by a multitude of textured finishes. They include various water-repellent fabrics and genuine leather accents for its duo of zippers. This pouch has plenty of pockets and organizers for your items, as well as a quick-access exterior pocket without a closure. You can order the accessory in indigo, sage, or slate. Native Union offers an even more affordable Stow Lite organizer as well. Number 6. GLCON Hard EVA Travel Case. This is the most affordable tech organizer worth your attention. Sporting an impulse buy sticker that hovers around $10, the accessory has a shockproof exterior with dual zipper closure. Its interior has a mesh pocket and an elastic band, allowing it to accommodate various small tech items. You can order the tech organizer in several colors: black, silver, pink, purple, red, and a couple of shades of blue. Product iterations with smaller and bigger storage capacities are also available.